Vehicle automation is becoming more and more prevalent throughout the entire automobile, covering all aspects from safety such as lane keeping and driver and occupant monitoring, to automatic emergency braking and pedestrian protection, to comfort such as automatic climate control and wireless connectivity. We are moving the needle from passive safety features that protect the occupants in the event of an accident to more active safety systems and monitoring that can assist the driver in avoiding accidents, and onto fully autonomous systems that can prevent accidents altogether by taking over control from the driver. Your car will see, hear, and sense all things going on in and around it, allowing it to safely navigate from point A to B, all without human intervention. And in doing so, makes the time spent traveling more productive. But the autonomous revolution will not just affect the automotive world. There are infinite opportunities for autonomous vehicles in a wide array of fields. Take, for instance, the role of the delivery truck. Parcel companies are currently testing, and in some cases implementing, a self-driving delivery vehicle. But the push for total automation has brought them to where they are developing robots that will be dispatched right from the delivery vehicle and get the package to your door no matter the terrain or obstacle. The use of autonomous drones is another area where we are on the cutting edge of technology. Autonomous drones are being implemented across multiple markets, from package delivery to crop surveying and complementing disaster relief efforts. They even play a key role in saving lives. For example, medical supplies that used to take upwards of 45 minutes to transport by foot are being ferried by autonomous drones on a predetermined path across hospital campuses in under 4 minutes, giving healthcare personnel more precious time during a life-saving procedure. But it is safety that's perhaps the biggest reason for the autonomous implementation across all these industries. NHTSA data shows that a staggering 94% of serious crashes are due to human error. And there are about 1.4 million road traffic deaths every year, according to the WHO. Those are overwhelming statistics to comprehend. By taking the first steps with technologies like collision avoidance and pedestrian protection, we can lower that statistic. And with the next generation of autonomous vehicles and their ability to see, hear, and sense danger, we at ON Semiconductor are helping to save thousands of lives every year. We're ON Semiconductor, and the future is here.